Coming to you. Octane here. Better. You're literally just better.
Recharging my shields. 1 second. Keep going. Rival here. Don't go here. The ring closes in 30 minutes. We should get moving. When it gets hosted.
One shot on the crypto.
Knock two. Just one.
Yep, cracked.
You got it. You got it. It's just you. 1v1. You in that. Dead. All dead.
Nice. Just bolted to their stairs.
By the way, the octane is like really low. Oh, 100 banger. Oh, they're over here. $100 on 150 on her almost. Like 145. Go kill her.
Bruh.
He's dead. Vantage is in here low. Probably healed by now, but she was low. Up here. If you want to look for it. I'm grenading straight up in the air.
I'm popping
There
a
is
cell
2-2.
phone, I'm looking.
160 on one. Knock two. Knock two. Knock two.
Wait, one.
Oh my god.
I'm so upset. They opened it behind you. Nice, you're better.
No.
That's crazy.
Holy slam, bud. This is bad. I'm gonna try to. No. I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna pour it. Get in the bubble. I'm just gonna go for fucking. What's it called? I know this one. Okay.
Set the portal.
He's coming with through.
Frag out.
100 banger on.
Hey now.
Saved your life. There's one here. Killed the Watson over here. Sleep is some calls.
I can feel that I'm awake and active right now, but I'm on like a burner phone. I'm on my drags. No.
Need a charm bag and a sense of self-preservation.
There was a Japanese lady
Recharging shields.
as a temporary servant, and they deified her because she worked so hard and was so nice to everyone that her employers were terrified that she was a higher being. And then a Buddhist monk came after having a dream to visit her and was like, yes, she's an incarnation of Buddha. And her employer was like, god damn.
Knock one over here. Got the bin. Nades in here. Knocked one!
Oh, an aid. I hear that. Nice. Burning the fuck out of one, too.
Good shit, good shit.
It's right here.
Ticking Watson, Watson's dead.
One dead. The last one's the one on the left.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
1 HP. 1 HP on Watson, dead.
Before out. She's gonna die now.
I think so.
Take it back.
I'm fucking. My catalyst spikes just did like 1,000 damage. What the fuck?
That's so good.